Welcome, my friend. We are in Bulgaria, in relaxing place, and we have to keep everything clear. We are going to enjoy this beautiful spot, and this is surprisingly clear. And there's a lot of trash bins in Bulgaria, so keeping things clear is very easy. And Joni is chopping our firewood in the background, so soon we will enjoy this gorgeous roadside grilling place that we are going to use. Look how big table. These are really delightful resting places by the road. So you can just stop driving, take a pause, admire the beautiful scenery and cook food with the live fire. And bring all your friends and family here. There's plenty of room. Yeah, the road is next to us, but I'm sure it gets quieter when the night comes.
There's quite many bugs in this part of Europe, so we are keeping the doors always shut when we are not cooperating with Sarah. Sarah is making pasta for me and preparing herself hamburgers. Then when we have good embers here, we can make the food. Yeah, we have the grill with us, so we always use these on the live fire. And it's we are super organized, so it's easy to access also to the back of the van, and it's the easiest part to get that because we do grilling so often. Nice evening coming, sun is setting over there and just enjoying, and Pulla is enjoying too. We love Bulgaria. This place is awesome. We say it in every time when we go to these beautiful and really nice places. And we love grilling. We love grilling a lot. Some Bulgarian mikis, pasta, good sauce. Sarah is having her hamburgers. And we are in the place that we want to be in the whole world. We could be anywhere we want to be.
And we are here. This is the perfect place to us at this moment.
Yes. We have the whole world open for us, and yeah, I don't want to be anywhere else. This is good. Let's eat.
Look how delicious food my dear hubby made me. He is the best man in the world.
Sarah said that Bulgaria looks like Finland. I think people also feel here like Finnish people. We in Finland, we don't have silence awkward. Neither is in Bulgaria, so everyone be silent until still it's not awkward at all.
Yeah.
Nice
we
feeling.
like it, these people a lot. And so much less people.
We are actually parked just beside the town, and police is actually trying to... I don't know if he's gonna come talk to us or not. Let's see.
Good morning, you all. Look how active we are early in the morning when there's no internet reception and social media to ruin our lives. Yeah. Joni is chopping those firewood a little smaller so they can fit in our back of the van. Surprisingly warm night. Our heater did not kick in that often. Our fridge is completely empty, so we will drive to Sofia, capital city of the Bulgaria, yeah, and go grocery shopping. This is not something we usually do because the road just go there, and it's more nicer to sleep somewhere where it's not road noises at all. And also the safety reason, we prefer parking our van overnight somewhere where you cannot see it from the road. Bulgaria itself is a very safe country. And I think all these Eastern European Balkan countries are very, well, at least they seem so safe compared to West. Maybe because there's just so much less tourists, so it gives this vibe that we are all alone here and nothing bad can ever happen here. Ready chop at firewood. Future Joni will be pleased next time when we set up the campfire. Already cut firewood. Best thing ever after morning coffee.
Yeah, I'm not a morning person, so I'm not talking anything.
But Joni's been active. We did find a water. We are going to fill our tanks, but we cannot fit next to the water fountains. There's a copy transportation.
Yeah, school bus on the way, but it's not a problem, so we can just take water from here.
Yeah.
Just use jugs. Even if this is a drinking water tap, we always disinfect, so we don't get any bugs to our tank.
Because some people might wash their baby's butt there or something. I don't know. We have seen a lot of roasting happening during our travels, so we don't know what happened to the tap before we take the water. It tastes like toothpaste. Maybe because I just brushed my teeth.
It has this hard water taste in it, but we are south, so I think 99% of the waters here are really hard because of the rock that the water comes from. Mapket. Tää on kuitenkin vähän tälleen niinku siis vaippaa, se on niinku vanha Neuvostoliiton meininki.
We are leaving the Beograd. No, this is even better. This is Beograd chic, and we are leaving the place towards new adventures.
It's fun always to do these videos because we don't know what the final product is. We just talk to the camera and compile those videos together, and there it is, our one episode. So if you're trying to find some kind of plot in our episodes, there's none. We just put everything together and to the YouTube. And it shows. And I think for the past days we have just talked about Isvors or spring water, I think. But yeah, usually when there's a spring water and it's not that good tasting, we take half a tank, 50 liters, and if we score a jackpot like this, really good tasting water, then we fill the whole tank. Yes, thank you Isvor, that was made when I was 1 year old in a town of Jannek. Almost full tank, took us like 5 minutes, then we continue the road. Yeah, you learn to see these on the side of the road. When you find the worst one, then it's easy to find every time best Isvors. Yeah, usually in town center. They have a town hall here just beside us, and yeah, usually there's a Isvor. There is also toilets offered in this town. I don't know if I would use it, but still there's a toilet.
Schönebäck? I don't know. How would you pronounce this town?
Dun 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 dun. And this is how it pronounced.
Kielopek.
There is a crease. The light will guide us to the crease. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! This is this valley that we are in.
Gorgeous, beautiful place.
And this is just the old road that goes here.
There's a new tunnel now, so nobody will drive this old road.
Yes, this will be great because it was hot and sweaty day, so we have a river just beside it, so we can go swimming over there.
Yeah, we just need to figure out the way there because it's kind of gorge. and very steep.
Then continue tomorrow. This is an easy camp spot for that because the road to Greece is just beside us.
Yeah, but look at the beautiful, almost turquoise colored stream. Greece is that near. The water is so clear and beautiful. And there's a suspension bridge that looks a bit sketchy. Like really wobbly and boards are missing and yikes. Scary place. Let's go to swim. Gorgeous, gorgeous, beautiful Bulgaria.